Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about reduction formula. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to fns to the power of n. Now, if we do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This is about the power rule of derivative, and this one you got 1 over s. So I will put like this. dv that is about s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have n over number 3. I will put outside. And now we have the integration s to the power of 3 fn s to the power of n minus 1 ds. So this one divided by s, so we have number 2 in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.